Before installing your Lifewit Shower Caddy, first measure the space where you plan to install it, and add an additional 5 cm to the measurement to allow for tension from the caddy's spring. If the height of your roof is between 145 cm and 200 cm, do not use any of the tapered tubes when putting your caddy together. If it is between 200 and 260 cm, use one tapered tube. If it is between 260 cm and 300 cm, use 2 tapered tubes. To start, first take one of the tapered tubes and put an anti-slip rubber band on it, making sure the thicker side is pointing away from the tapered end. Slide one of the baskets down on top of the band. Repeat once more with the second band and basket. Next, take the straight connecting tube and, as before, add the anti-slip rubber bands followed by the baskets. Once the baskets have been added, connect the straight connecting tube and the tapered tube together. After that, take the bottom pole and connect it to the tapered connecting tube. Take the tube with a plastic cam lock and insert it into the straight connecting tube. The cam lock works by expanding when rotated clockwise and contracting when rotated anti-clockwise. Once inside the straight connecting tube, twist the cam lock tube clockwise to fasten it securely. Then take the larger joint protector and place it on top of the cam lock tube. Insert the spring into the tube. Place the smaller joint protector on top and then insert the top short tube. Finally, add the top and bottom caps. When installing the caddy, be sure to first secure it at the top and then slide the bottom into position to ensure it is stable.